Alright, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today we've got a little parcel from Japan. It's a Mugen part for the Honda S660. We've got an oil cap and a radiator or coolant cap for the Honda S660. Purchased these through buye.jp. They can organise all the shipping and import paperwork needed for that product to get into your country. Alright, so there's the oil cap with the Mugen logo on the inside there. It is separate, I'll show you how that works in a minute. And a lovely little O-ring for the oil to stay inside where it should be. Alright, and there's the coolant cap. It's pre-printed. Nice machined aluminium. It also comes with the grub screws and Allen key that you need. We do have some Loctite. We're going to put some Loctite on those grub screws. So we'll do that first. Then what I'm going to do is pre-install these grub screws. So I'm not having to do it once the cap is on top of the actual coolant cap itself. Right, so there we go. Got some Loctite on that. We'll do the same thing to the other one as well, but firstly let's get this one in place. So we're just screwing it in far enough so it's in place without falling out, but not far enough that it won't sit over the top. So just so we can see the grub screw from the inside. Right, put the other one in too. So there's two of these little grub screws. Do the same thing. Alright, we'll check to make sure that that is far enough in, but not too far. There we go, just checking it on the inside there. Okay, now all we've got to do is place it on top of the cap. Alright, so once you've got it in place, hold it there, tighten the grub screws. Pretty easy. Just need to go firm. Just make it sure it's tensioned well enough. And that's pretty much it, guys. Test it out. See if it holds onto that cap when you remove it. Nice. Put it back in place. Done. Next one, we're doing the oil cap. So remove your old oil cap. Place it off to the side. Now we've got the O-ring already on the new oil cap, so we're just going to screw that down, make sure it's firm. We're not cross-threading the little guy either. Alright. Once it's in place, we're going to just do a trial placement of the little label. It has a sticky back on it, and we're going to make sure it's lined up with the existing labels on the engine cover. Alright, we've taken off the sticky protective back, place it down, and then just position it so it's in line. Right, once I'm happy, just going to give it a nice firm press. Looking good. Press, press, press. There's a little protective film over the top, we'll remove that. That looks good. Nice job, Carl. Thanks for watching. Hope you can join us for another video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.